Alrighty, criminal summoning. This is the gang members who are the people of the state, who you will know are demons that stalk with impossible light and share in the gang stalking with the gang members of the Ontario Police. Remember, under the fake sun at 7, which is on the opposite side of this very building. Actually, it is over this building. The fake sun and the Ontario Police are stalking by helicopter. This is called criminal summoning. And this is strategic placement of what is the logo that you can clearly identify, that's a threat, under the fake sun in alignment to me while the fake sun moves north up Euclid Avenue as I walk. Old Park, the demons of the school district, Starbucks, and all the rest of the demons, including the Ontario International Airport, stalking together, molesting with impossible light, pacing all around, and the demons are in position while they're monitoring. This is a demon-possessed person and a psychopath. She is rabbit, boo, bat, poo crazy. She's engaging in gang stalking, and she's standing with a dog. She's engaged in what is light activity relevant positioning, and the people of the state are molesting with impossible light, while a gang member that bears a gun is engaging in what is supposed to appear the execution of an officer that just happens to be around where you're at. She is engaging in the pattern of conduct. She's monitoring with all the cockroaches who are moving all around in the perimeter with light activity. They're monitoring together under the fake sun. The entity is on video at 10:39. Remember, our city of Ontario, that's gang stalking at the same Arco, and the airport is the same entity as gang stalking, flying over this parking lot where there are no takeoffs. None of those facts change because the demons arrive. What you're seeing is the gang stalking by the agency itself. That's engaged in kidnapping, that's engaged in stalking by helicopter, and then they want to appear legitimate, which they don't. Okay, so they're engaging in the pattern of conduct that this is relevant to presence. They do the same thing with the people of the state, demons, doing the same thing with the dog, demon. Does not change, and this is federal. This is the equal threat. This is an entity that engages in that P.O.C, and this is a psychopath, and there is no narrative where you are made legitimate after engaging in the series of kidnappings, exhibiting the series of demon possession. They're on this street. The fake sun is also setting. All right, Ontario Veterinary Hospital. When they're engaged in battery, who is stalking when I'm capturing that video footage right here where they're engaging in a battery and engineer light? Because this is all engineer light as well. 16441991055 represents the same agency stalking in helicopter when the people of the state commit battery with this entity. And guess who's gang stalking? The demons in the truck with the animals. Guess who's stalking? The demons in the white van. That's all engineer light. That's a magnified shadow, 17026 Edward 2. The entity is engaging in the pattern of conduct, and this is relevant to what is federal prison. P.O.C. While you're looking at this, you need to understand they have sex with animals. These are demons that engage in bestiality. They do the same thing when they want to look compassionate with children. They have sex with children. They're pedophiles. They're engaged in what is gang stalking, psychological torture, while then engaging in what is this P.O.C. The dog is a prop. Okay, this is the pattern of conduct, and the fake sun's gonna move over me, and this is where the overfabulary is over here. And the entity has a fake sun over me in Montclair yesterday, where the Ontario Police Department are exposed while the city of Montclair is engaging in that P.O.C. under a fake sun. These are psychopaths stalking on the roads and the highways, stalking by helicopter, and stalking with the demons that are engaging in what is the industry regarding veterinarians, adopting pets in it. This is supposed to be some compassionate, some compassionate version of the P.O.C. There is no such thing. This is an entity that's stalking in the path while I'm going to upload all of the evidence regarding the same exact psychopathic conduct, sex offenders lurking in the middle of the night, and then engaging in what is ongoing harassment, demons operating public transportation, demons operating commercial planes, demons engaging in the gang stalking. These are the same gang members. And there's the ones that are being disbanded. This is P.O.C. All right, it is currently 9:33 a.m. This is witnessing psychopathic conduct. This is what the people of the state do, gang stalking in the library all day, not addressing you, not talking to you, and they're stalking you with light. They're monitoring your genitalia. This is exactly why psychopaths have no role in law enforcement, and they are being fired. Ontario police are being permanently removed. And this is what the entity, this is supposed to be some sort of contrasting view and perspective with regard to what it is that they are doing as an agency. They're engaged in criminal surveillance. And this is the evidence, and you can see, you can put the video on mute because the facts don't change. These are the demons that are relying on the appearance of the thing. License plate, by the way, he is monitoring with the police, and it's equally federal prison. Just want to be clear on that as well. 1716443. This is ARC, which is a third party. They're engaging in the pattern of conduct. They're engaging in this P.O.C. with the people of the state. Light activity, 6XRP, that's engineer light. While you have a dog included in the pattern of conduct, 6XRP 414, and they're engaging in that P.O.C. together. Alrighty? This is the entity that's engaging in that and seeking attention in the same way that they're right here, stalking by helicopter as I captured yesterday morning for a prolonged period under the fake sun that's still right here. That's that Bethel Congregation Church. And where's the fake sun? It's over me at 11 and 12:30 in the afternoon. This is the pattern of conduct. Those are demons. This is the demon possessed, and they are no longer hidden amongst us. And the demon possessed are being disbanded. This is the same criminal conduct that Mike Lorenz is going to prison for. P.O.C. It is currently 9:35 a.m. This is SX770, and they're gang stalking at the Ontario Veterinary Hospital. This is federal stalking under Title 18, and this is an entity seeking to maintain presence in the path, gang stalk you while they hold a bouquet of balloons, while they are engaging what is hosting a program such as the Route 66 car show, where the fake sun's over me at this same venue after 6 p.m. and the gang members are there under another guise of the same criminal presence, stalking in the same exact manner. Psychopaths are being removed as engaging in criminal surveillance and furtherance of murder, not engaged in what is the compassionate care of what are animals, okay? They're engaging in what is bestiality and pedophilia. That's really what's going on when they're engaging in this pattern of conduct. Psychological torture and threatening conduct and surveillance directly opposes what is the surface appearance of what is supposed to, but that surface appearance is very clear. It's under the fake sun. This is P.O.C. It's 9:35 a.m.